As you see in the title, we are going to Cedar Point today. We're going to ride Steel Vengeance, Millennium. Oh, wait. Cedar Point's closed, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, it is.
Cedar Point's closed. Can't go there.
I mean, Kings Island? Oh, wait.
Kings
that's
Island?
closed too.
Yeah, it's all closed. So what we're going to do is we're going to go check out the Pro Football Hall of Fame. All right, well, that's a lot of sun. I was going to show a sign that said Pro Football Hall of Fame, but it was nothing but a whole lot of bright sun. So here we are now. I don't know exactly where to go. I think I got to turn left. Entrance. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I see a sign that says entrance. Oh, there it is. I see foosball players up here.
Foosball? You playing the foosball behind my back?
All right. There's someone out on a little field.
I want to play in that little field.
I know, we should have brought the football. I mean, there's nothing blocking it.
Oh, there's a sign over there, so.
There's a sign? Oh, yeah. Huh. What is that? Early day equipment. The Dodgers. You know, I find it really funny how a lot of football teams, their names, there was the Pittsburgh Pirates, and now there's a baseball team called the Pirates, and then there was the Dodgers, and now there's a baseball team called the Dodgers. It's funny how a lot of old football teams now became names for baseball teams.
Johnny Unitas led a Colts team featuring 7 future Hall of Famers to victory in the first ever sudden-death overtime in NFL history.
So we're down on the first floor still right now, and this is, I think, just kind of like a little introduction. I mean, I don't think this is really museum. I think that this is just kind of like a fun little introduction. And what do we got here? We got
And they gave us these little
By
things to
playbook.
push.
The Boomerang Indians. All sorts of old-time teams. The Ernie Nevers Eskimos. The Frankfurt Yellow Jackets. The Dayton Triangles. I'm shocked that these teams, the Chicago Bears, who's heard of that? So we got Troy Aikman's hand. My hand is pretty much the same as Troy Aikman. And we got Warren Moon. My hand is smaller. But then we got Jim Kelly. My hand is pretty much exactly the same.
He's teensy.
So let's see. So you're bigger than the smallest pro. Oh, there he is, I think. That little guy.
Little fella. there's this guy.
And you're
about
not
the
you're
same.
you're not quite
Almost there.
you're not quite there.
Alright, so you're like way taller than that guy. And you're about to the neck of him. Lots of jerseys here and Paul Brown's 1955 championship game ball and bronze coach cap. Here's the ball.
There's a play.
Hey.
That's called the I right 62 counter YX wing post. All right, so this is a little interactive thing. You got a screen that you can touch, and they teach you about different offenses and defenses. It's pretty interesting stuff. More of the technical aspects. They talk about run and shoot, the 4-3, the no huddle offense. What's this one that they're talking about?
T formation.
The T formation. Oh, see, this is the, so they talk about the power sweep, West Coast. This is year by year all the records. And so we look for the Browns, and then we're like,
And this year, they're gonna be good.
look, we got 7, 8, look at all these wonderful records. Look at all those nice records. Oh, look, there's a 10-6, 2007.
Hey,
Snuck in there.
go all the way back.
They still haven't won the Super Bowl.
Look at that, 2-14.
So this is the only place at one glance.
All right, that is the second floor. So now we are making our way presentation center. What are they presenting? They're not presenting anything. Hello.
How are you guys?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, great, thank you. Is it your first time at the hall?
No, my second.
Oh, wonderful. When did you come before?
Around 87.
Oh, wow. So it's changed tremendously since then.
I think so. I was only like 9 years old, so I don't remember.
Okay. Well, that's great because you've got the movies to check out, and you didn't have the movies before, so you've got those. So, yeah, that's great. Yeah, I'm talking to you from London, England.
Really? Okay. Well,
Yeah.
that's interesting.
I would come over and volunteer twice a year on vacation, but obviously with all what's gone on in the world, that's not possible. So due to technology, I'm still able to be there and
Look at that. Now you're like a little robot.
yeah, sort of like yeah.
Interesting.
Do you have a favourite team?
Well, that was strange. That was a person on an iPad that was in England, as you just saw.
London, England.
Yeah.
Cool.
That was really cool because I started talking to it thinking that, like, just joking around, but it turned out that there was really a person on there and they started talking back to me. Yeah, I know, he told me. I thought I was just joking around talking back to a recording. So this is what they unveil during when they're up on stage crying, telling their sob story about how they almost didn't play football. This would probably be a creepy place to be at night and you're sleeping and you look up and see all these heads. So these are the plans for the Hall of Fame Village.
Outdoor field right here.
Look, so none of that is here right now. That's like, what is that? Like a parking garage or something? Or a parking structure?
Yeah, it looks like a parking structure.
That looks like a hotel.
A hotel? You need a hotel. Wow.
Looks like a hotel. So I guess there's a movie starting here in a few minutes, and we're not allowed to film inside the theater. So we're not going to be able to film. We're not going to be able to film any of the movie. So we're in the locker room theater, and we weren't allowed to film in here, but up there they just had like a hologram of Joe Namath and
They had a bunch of lights and music, screens.
It'll, yeah, like, yeah, a little light show beforehand where all these lockers kind of lit up and
then they disappeared, and then people came over. It was really cool.
yeah, the holograms disappeared and got the Lombardi trophy. A pretty cool room.
Look, you can see the back of you.
Oh
See the
yeah.
back of us.
All right, so we're doing one other show.
It's something like it's Super Bowl theater. It's called.
Road to the Super Bowl. So that was just a video about last year's Super Bowl, basically.
Yeah, really good. The whole thing turned around. Like
Yeah, the seats. I thought something was going to happen when it turned, but it just kind of turned.
turned to another screen. I turned to a bigger screen.
A bunch of Super Bowl rings.
To get to that point. It reminds me of the success that I had in my career. It also reminds me of the camaraderie.
And I think it's about over now. I think we're kind of reaching the end.
Or jerseys and stuff. Probably like Madden or something.
Oh yeah,
They did.
the controllers are gone because they don't want you all coronavirusing up everybody. Alright, officially the end because we have reached the store where they want you to buy stuff.
I could get a Baker jersey.
You can get a Baker jersey. Very nice. Alright, so all in all, that was a fun experience. When you say, what did you think?
I thought it was very good. First time being here, and I thought it was better than I expected.
Okay, well, it's always good when...
And I said it was really, really, really good. I love the little movie thing that they had, and they had a bunch of stuff I loved.
A lot of history, obviously, since that's what this is all about, and then mix it up with some modern stuff. So this was a good experience. So if you are from the area, we suggest making your way down here, or if you're from out of town, which I think most people here today seem to be from out of town. So whichever it is, we highly recommend checking out the Football Hall of Fame.